Hello guys, welcome back to Gadget Gist, and this is my comparison video between the Infinix S5 and the Tecno Camon 12A. If you are stuck between these two devices, this video is for you. Without wasting your time, let's get to the video. Okay, so let's start with the design. Now, when it comes to the design, the Tecno Camon 12A wins it. It comes with a beautiful gradient color finish and it looks very attractive. It is made out of plastic, likewise the Infinix S5. But it weighs more than the Infinix S5. The Infinix S5 weighs about 175 grams and the Tecno Camon 12A weighs about 181 grams. So when it comes to the build quality and design overall, the Tecno Camon 12A is better. The Infinix S5 has a 6.6-inch HD Plus display and a PPI of 270, while the Tecno Camon 12A has a large 6.5-inch HD Plus display and a PPI of 268. So when it comes to the display quality, the Infinix S5 is better. When it comes to the CPU efficiency, the Infinix S5 is powered by a MediaTek Helio P22 chipset, which has an octa-core processor, while the Tecno Camon 12A is powered by a MediaTek Helio A22 chipset, which has a quad-core processor. Both has a PowerVR GE8320 GPU and runs on Android 9 Pie. The Tecno Camon 12A comes in two configurations, which includes 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage, or a 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. The Infinix S5 comes with a 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, or a 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. So, which one will be faster? It will definitely be the Infinix S5. The Infinix S5 has a more faster chipset and a higher configurations too. For photography, the Infinix S5 comes with a triple rear cameras, which includes a 16-megapixel main camera, 5-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 2-megapixel depth sensing camera. On the front, it has a 32-megapixel selfie camera. The Tecno Camon 12A, on the other hand, comes with a triple rear cameras at the back, which includes a 16-megapixel main camera, a 5-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 2-megapixel depth sensing camera. On the front, it has an 8-megapixel selfie camera. So, which camera is better? I think you should be the judge here. Let me quickly pass some pictures across your screen. So yeah, which one do you think is better? Let me know in the comment section below. Both phones have a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner and a 4000 mAh battery, but they didn't support fast charging. Here are my thoughts. In terms of build quality and design, the Tecno Camon 12A wins it. In terms of display, the Infinix S5 is better. In terms of CPU, the Infinix S5 is better again. In terms of camera, pretty much a draw, and in terms of battery, it's a draw too. So which one should you get? Get the Infinix S5. It costs about 66,000 naira on Jumia for the 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM version, and 54,000 naira for the 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage version. Please, I will leave a link in the description or in the comment section below where you can purchase it on Jumia. If you use my affiliate link in the comment section below, it will support this channel. Thanks. The Tecno Camon 12 Air is still a good phone to get. It costs about 42,000 naira on Jumia in case if you wish to get it. Alright, thank you so much guys for watching. If you are seeing me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and turn on notification for more detailed comparison next time. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'll talk to you in my next video. Peace.